There are many tools available in the market where to automate everything and anything possible on the internet. But for social media marketing, like for example, the Facebook do not have any API to publish on the personal profile. So there are many users who are still using Facebook profile as their main marketing channel, but still they are struggling to post consistently on the Facebook profile because of just the one reason, which is Facebook currently do not have any API to publish or schedule content to post on its Facebook profile. So this workflow solves that problem, wherein this workflow publishes your content. That means you can schedule this workflow to publish on your Facebook profile, and also it publishes to different Facebook groups. Like, for example, you may want to be active on 10 or 50 different Facebook groups. So in order to do that, you will have to manually publish it, or, because there is no other API or a tool that does the scheduling for you. So this current workflow, which I'm going to show you, will do that work for you. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm Priyanka, and I'm your automation girl. I'm here to solve the business's problems, wherein I come in when you need any AI automations or agentic AIs to integrate into your business. That makes your life easier. So if you have any repetitive task or wants to scale your business, wherein you want to lessen your time or lessen your time and spend more on your family or your passion, then you definitely need to have an automation system. That's where I come into, so that I can provide you the solutions for that. So let's get into the video. And here I'll show you how this workflow exactly solves that problem. So first I'm going to go into by the way, this is the Zerowork, which is an RPA tool, which is the robotic process automation. So this particular tool allows you to schedule any type of content. I mean, automate any repetitive tasks which do not have any API. It doesn't mean that if you have API, you shouldn't. No, it's not like that. Even if you have API or if you do not have an API, you can definitely automate that. But this particular tool, even if you do not have an API, you can definitely automate any of the tasks that you currently are doing manually on the internet. So first, I have created tables here, wherein I have created a Facebook group name. I've created three tables for Facebook group names, wherein I've given the name, group links, and status, and published on. This was published previously, which is yeah, that's yesterday. When I publish today, so this will be different. This will be again updated, and then we have the content to post another group here. So let's see. So today is the third. So I've already scheduled this. So all these things I haven't published. So, and one more thing is that you can schedule it or you can run it whenever you want with just one click. So it's up to you. You want to schedule it, you can schedule it. But if you do not want to schedule and want to run it, with just one click manually, whenever you feel like, then you can just click run, and then the workflow runs it on itself. So here I've given third, which is today's date, and I've given the content here, and it updates the published on and the status of this data table. And then we have the content for profile post, which is for the profile. Um, so the date and the content and the status will be published. And here, if you have any image to upload, then you can also upload the image, and you can just set the status as yes or no. So if you say it as yes, then it automatically triggers that you have the image uploaded, and then it adds the image as well to the content that you want to post. So these are the group posts, and this is the profile post. So now let's see that in action. So I have decreased the time span of publishing the content, wherein I'll show you what this exactly does. So I have grabbed the cookies from the Facebook and then pasted here. So here is where you paste the cookies. So what I did is that with the cookies paster, with the help of cookie editor, I have just grabbed the cookies from here, export, and then pasted the cookies here. And then it's all set. Now I'm going to run this. So I'll share my screen here, one more screen. Okay. I hope you are able to see the screen. So it has opened the Facebook profile. and it now writes the content for me, which I have already pre-filled it. Okay. And if your content is very large or medium, wherein since this content is a small content with very less words, um, it takes the background image as well. But in your case, if the content is long, then it doesn't give the option to choose the background. In that case, if you want upload any image, you can do that for sure. So in my case, and since this is for just for the test purpose, I'm just going ahead with the short version of the. And then it opens up the Facebook group names or the groups that I have given, and it also writes the content. So it's the same thing. It writes the content here as well, and it chooses the background. Okay, so let's wait for the background to choose and publish it. So I've given just two Facebook groups. Okay, so now it's searching for the background, and it selects the background, and I have given the bot to choose this particular background only since it's an RPA, which is a rule-based automation. So I have particularly given that particular background to choose. If you want to give another background depending on your brand name, you can always do that. You can just change the CSS selector and it does the work for you. And so it's writing. Okay. So this is the second group it opened up. So once you schedule this tool, it kind of, it can publish to even 50 Facebook groups as well in a day with particular time gaps that you want to give. Like you can set it to publish to 5 groups in the first half of the day and to the next 5 Facebook groups in the second half of the day and another 5 Facebook groups in the next half of the day. So it kind of tricks the algorithm that it's a human and it's not the bot. So let's see the, okay, so now you can see that published on 3rd, which is today, and that's what the bot has done, right? So it has published to 2 groups and okay, and content to post on, okay, I think this, I have missed to update it. Okay, and here, yes, it says published on. Yeah, this is the one that I published in the profile content post. And the content is this, and the status, it says the content published. So I haven't given any image here. So that's why it didn't upload any image. So yeah, that's what it did. And for this, I just have to add an update for that, which I will do it later after this video. But just in case, if you want to, see this in action, build along with you, and if you want to look for another video wherein I get into the nitty-gritty of building of this bot, then do let me know in the comment section so that I'd be happy to share how I built it and the entire workflow with you. And just in case if you need this workflow, I will anyways link to this workflow in the description below and also link to this the tool which will be an affiliate tool just to support this channel. So you can just grab the two links from the description below. And yeah, to build this entire workflow, just wait for another video to come up so that I will build from scratch or show you the existing workflow itself. But I think this video is going to be very large if you want this right now. But I don't want to make this video so long so that you will get bored to watch this. So that was the video all about, just to show you the possibility of the RPA. And in my next video, I'll show you how I have built this entire workflow so that you can just copy paste it onto your workflow and you can just use it. Or else you'll definitely have the link to this link in the descriptions below for this workflow and the tool as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.